Hi guys, the Kitchen Fairy here with another recipe vlog. I just love sharing recipe too much. For today's recipe, it is pretty simple. It is the boys' lunch. It is panini. We have a panini maker. Sometimes when I'm lazy cooking with so many ingredients and spices, we just make panini and they have no complaints. Check out the full video and I'll see you soon again. Bye! So, we like to cover our panini maker with parchment paper, but you can use aluminum foil. It's much easier to cover them with paper or foil to clean it. You can butter or margarine grease your bread with butter or margarine, but for today I don't do that. Just smear some mayo on your one side of the bread like so. Then lay some Gouda cheese. This is smoke flavored Gouda. And then roasted turkey or whatever protein you want to lay there. And some greens. You can omit the greens. Usually panini don't really have the greens. Well, my husband don't like adding greens for the panini. And now we're gonna lay one more cheese. And then to top it, we're gonna place another piece of bread that we smeared with mustard or ketchup or a combo. Now we're gonna top with more paper. Now we're gonna press the panini maker until nice and crunchy. Here is your quickie panini for lunch.